In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip with OBS Studio. Clipping with OBS is a great way to capture short highlights from your streams, games, or recordings without having to save huge video files every time. Instead of recording everything from start to finish, you can just grab the interesting moments as they happen. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from the very beginning so that by the end, you'll be able to hit a single button and automatically save a clean replay clip. First, make sure you have OBS Studio installed and open it up. If this is your first time using OBS, you'll see a preview window in the center, your scenes and sources at the bottom, and your controls on the right. Before we deal with clipping, confirm that OBS is set up to capture what you want, whether that's your game, your desktop, or a specific window. Next, we're going to enable the feature that makes clipping possible. It's called Replay Buffer. Go to the Settings menu, then open the Output tab. In there, look for the Replay Buffer section. Turn it on, and then choose how long you want your clips to be. For example, if you set it to 30 seconds, OBS will always keep the last 30 seconds of your gameplay in memory, ready to be saved as a clip. You can pick a shorter or longer duration, but keep in mind that longer buffers can use more system resources. While you're still in Settings, move to the Video and Output sections and choose the resolution, frame rate, and quality that fit your needs. Higher settings look better, but also create larger files, so pick something balanced for your computer. Now, let's set up a hotkey so clipping is fast and effortless. Go to the Hotkeys tab in Settings. Find the Replay Buffer section and look for the option that says Save Replay. Click in that box and press the key or key combination you want to use, something that's easy to reach and won't interfere with your game, like a function key or a combination with Control or Alt. Once that's done, click Apply and OK to close settings. In the main OBS window, start your stream or recording as usual, and then click Start Replay Buffer. From this point on, OBS is constantly keeping track of the last few seconds you specified. Whenever something happens that you want to save, just press your Save Replay hotkey. OBS will instantly write that buffered segment to a clip file in your chosen folder. And that's all you need. With this setup, you can keep playing or streaming normally, and every time something clip-worthy happens, you'll have it saved automatically, ready to edit, share, or upload wherever you like.